What is going on, everyone? Leon checking in, and we're at it again with another video. In today's video, we'll be talking about how to check for a Chrome OS update, which works the same on both Chromebooks and Chromebases. Now, this can be helpful if you want to manually check for a newer version of Chrome OS. As for this video, it's featured on the Chromebook Chromebase playlist, so you can find information related to this topic quickly and easily. Now, for reference, I'm using the Google Pixelbook Go running Chrome OS version 97. As always, we only feature products or services I buy, use, or am interested in. Now, you can find the Google Pixelbook Go and related items at the Amazon storefront link in the description below. All things said, let's go ahead and get into it. So here we are at the home screen of Chrome OS, and you can see in the bottom right hand corner, we're going to have this small dock of items. And it's going to have a Wi-Fi indicator, a battery indicator, and the clock. And we're going to tap on that. And that's going to bring up a panel with more options. So we're going to look for a gear icon towards the top of this panel, and that's going to be our settings, and we're going to tap on it. Now this is going to open up a page of settings for our Chrome OS device, and on the left hand side we're going to have a navigation menu. So we're going to look at the bottom of this menu and we're going to find About Chrome OS, and we're going to tap on that. Now this is going to refresh the page, and it's going to show us information about Chrome OS. And you can see that our version is listed here. It's a long string of numbers. And then to the right of that, we can also check for updates, which we'll do by tapping on this button. Now, if there is an update available, your Chromebook should download it and install it. And oftentimes you'll be required to restart your Chromebook or Chromebase. Now, in the event that there isn't an update available, you'll get a message here that says your Chromebook is up to date. So that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed it and found it useful, please leave a like. If you're watching on YouTube and have any questions or comments, as always, drop those down below and I'll do my best to answer them. Now, there are 3 ways you can support the content. The first way is to click on the Amazon storefront link in the description below. There you'll find items that I have bought or I would like to buy, and anything you buy from the storefront does support the content. The next way you support us is just by sharing this content with someone who might enjoy it or find it useful. And the last way you can show your support is just by clicking the subscribe button. Now, liking and subscribing are important because those are ways to vote on if you like the content. Liking and subscribing are also important for new viewers and listeners. If new viewers and listeners see likes and subscribers, they're going to think that the content is helpful, worth watching, and listening to. As always, thanks for watching, and until next time, Leon checking out.
Yeah.